Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we're installing a very simple, easy to install product that only takes about 30 seconds to install, and it has a lot of benefits, including the 4 USB ports here, including USB-C and A, totaling 90 watts. You also get an ambient light all throughout here, and in the back you get aromatherapy, where you remove this and put a puck that they sent. You can add a couple drops of your own essential oils, and this is essentially the fragrance diffuser where you can make your car smelling clean at all times. And you also can store some coins here. Lots of benefits, easy to install. Let's get right into it. So this is what it looks like right outside of the box. There's not much to it other than the cup holders, the ports here, the buttons we'll talk about here in just a second. And then in the back is that aromatherapy here for the diffuser. You just take the puck that it comes with the kit. This one is the charm one, and I believe they sent another one that is like a cologne. And then you insert this here. You can also put your own essential oils. Just drop a couple of drops there. Then you close this off by just pressing it and then twisting this. Now this is good to go. Then all it takes at that point is to bring this here, slide it in, it kind of sticks into its place. Then you take the other end of this and push it in. You close this, it matches with the trim piece and it goes with the interior. That's it, we're done. Let's talk about the buttons. So this is what it looks like with the armrest closed here. It blends in with the interior pretty nicely in my opinion. And if you open it, there is that space. You just put this here for the charging. And when you close it, it looks like it belongs there. So this is how the ambient light works during a broad daylight here. We're going to put the car inside in a dark location to show you what it looks like at night, but you can kind of get the idea. This looks really cool at nighttime. This is set to blue, and you just press this button to go between different colors. So if you are to press here, now this is a lighter blue cayenne color. Now you go here, it is white. You go here, now it is going between different colors, so it is jumping between different colors. And this indicator here, as well as this indicator, change the color along with the ambient light. So you see the 3 dots there, as well as this 1 dot changing color. This is the one that changes color, but this one is the one that changes the intensity of the fragrance that we put in the bottom. So this is number 3. It is heating really a lot so that you can smell it. But then if you just want it level 1, then you can leave that so that it doesn't come out a lot. So you save a little bit on that puck. But if you want the intensity to be super high so you can smell it, then you can just press this and it goes up. But that's super simple. The light here, the interior of the USB light is all blue. That does not change. Now let's take this into a darker location so we can show you what this truly looks like at nighttime. So now we're in a darker environment. It's not completely dark. There's a lot of light is still coming in, as you can see from the side. And this is pretty neat. So if you were to press here, you can go between different colors. There's the red, the pink, the cyan. You can go through different colors, and this is the continuous loop. So it is looping between different colors. There is green, there is blue. It's almost like the rainbow effect, and that's what you see from here. So really cool. You can see the ambient light on this product. Here it is in the complete dark here. As you can see, I can circle through different light options and I can get different colors. It looks really nice. Interior here. They have quite a bit of color options. So the best part about this product for me personally is the ability to have multiple USB chargers. So I have got 4 USB chargers, 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C, and each of them in theory should have 45 watt of max capacity. And we're gonna test that here in just a second. But let's start with the phone, and we're gonna plug in our Mac to see if it does have that 45 watt. So for my phone, I'm just going to try with the USB-A, and if I plug the other end to my phone here, if it is fast charge, it should say turbo charging. Yep, it says turbo power connected. So it is charging extremely fast here. And if I go to one of my apps that detects the battery behavior, this is what we are seeing here. We are seeing 7.76 watt. It is in a perfect amperage here, 2584 amperage, and it is showing that it is doing a fast charge, 7.72. So depending on the device, some of your device might be able to take all the way to 45 amps. I don't know which phones do that, but you are able to see this, and it does do a fast charge, and it indicated that it is a fast charge. Now I'm gonna plug in my MacBook Air, and right here is the USB-C, and let me see if it starts charging. And it does start charging. You see the orange indicator, that means it is charging. Now let's see the wattage on this to see if we truly get a 45 watt. So as you can see, we have it plugged in here, and this other power source is going, so it is charging from this device. And if we were to go to our Mac's hardware setting, right there it shows that it is connected to AC charger, and we are getting 45 watts. So the purpose of plugging in my laptop was just to check if I can get that 45 from that single port. You're probably not going to get a good performance out of a 45 watt laptop charger. You're probably going to need at least like a 72 watt for a MacBook Air or more, just for a faster charging or a ideal charging, because if you're charging at 45, yeah, it will charge, but it'll charge ridiculously slow, and if you're using it at the same time, you may end up discharging the laptop because the usage is probably a larger wattage than the input that it is getting. So I just wanted to test they're getting 45 watt, and that is probably one thing that they can improve on, is make each of those the 90 watt, or if it is sharing, then 45 watt. So right now it is 45 watt USB-C, so you can do 45 on each port, but you can't do 90 on each port, even if you don't have anything else plugged in. So that's one of the things that they could probably improve on. But 45 watt is a lot of power for anything else other than a laptop. You can charge your power banks with this, you can charge your phones with it, you can charge other electronics, flashlight, anything in the car that you need, you can charge with the output from these USB ports. And another use case for this space here is to store your coins, because it has a lip all around. This is a pretty nice space where it's not gonna fly out. So you do have a little bit of a space for that storage as well. Now, if you like the product so far and would like to check it out, teststudio.us is who sent this product to us free of charge in the channel, and this is the product link. They've got a large accessory selection for different cars, and if you go here, Model 3 to Model Y, 2021, 23, 24 Model Y also works, so any Model Ys or just a 21 to 23 Model 3, because the older Model 3s don't have a console like this, so you want to make sure that your Model 3 is between 21 and 23. So if you were to go buy now, it will take you to this page. It shows 129. Let me show you how you can significantly save on this. So if you were to go to discount code here, and if you put SHIVA Shiva Tesla, that is the discount code, and that knocks the price down by $28 to $100. So just about $100 you can get this product. I'll let you be the judge if it is worth it or not, but that's how you can save some money. This is an affiliate code, so we do earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you, which greatly helps us make videos like this. Thank you very much. So here's the verdict. I really like the integration piece of this. The installation took less than a minute, and it fits in really well with the interior of the car. It matches with the color. Of course, I love this extra USB ports. It gives me more flexibility to plug in phones and other electronics. The cup holder piece is easy to clean because I can just remove this. The fragrance diffuser works really well. I can smell that. So this is really good. You can also add your own essential oil. It's hidden, so you won't be able to see it. It's not one of those inserts that you put inside. It's hidden in interior, and you can smell it from outside. The ambient light looks really cool, adds colors to your car. So overall, a really great product. Love the installation piece of this. Now for future iteration, they should increase this width here to all the way to the edge and be able to add a wireless charging pad. It would have been really nice to just put our phone here. Yes, there is a charging pad right here, perfectly fine. But if they are already making this product, perhaps add a charging pad here as well, so we can set our phone down and be able to charge. It may be a little bit weird with this down. That's probably why they didn't add that charging pad, but even just lifting this slightly up and being able to charge that phone wirelessly would have been really nice. Also, perhaps they should take this and extend this USB lighting all the way through here in the edge to make it even prettier. So what do you think about this product? Do you like it? Your likes, your dislikes, please let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions, anything that you want to ask the manufacturer, please drop those all in the comment section. If you enjoyed today's video and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, we'd greatly appreciate if you become a channel subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything. It greatly helps us out. Give this video a thumbs up and come back again for another Tesla accessory video.